Hi Ghana, my name is Shelly and I represent Easy Cook Market. So Easy Cook Market is a Ghanaian owned business that's into semi-processing of fresh foodstuffs. So what we mean by semi-processing is typically if you go to the local market and come home, you usually come home with a foodstuff, but it comes with waste. So at Easy Cook, we take off that waste that comes with the food. And it does not end there. We also semi-process the food a little bit. So what we basically mean by semi-processing is to do some few things that would have taken much more time at the kitchen. So we have been in business for a year. We started Easy Cook exactly May 2020 and we are in May 2021. So we are celebrating our first anniversary basically. So Easy Cook Market, I always tell people that is a lifestyle be translating to commercial. So I realized that often we do not really have the luxury of time to do a lot of things. So what I decided to do was usually my elder sister who is a caterer taught me how to prep my foodstuffs and then store them in fridge. So I started doing it and it became a lifestyle. So eating healthy was living with me as well as prepping my foodstuffs. Ghana experienced a COVID and we subsequently had a lockdown. And my sister came to be with me and she said, Shelly, this lifestyle, I think there are many more women and many more men out there who need this kind of services. Why don't you commercialize it? So I got a good motivation from my sister to commercialize it. And thankfully, that was a birth of Easy Cook Market. I started Easy Cook in my home. Then somewhere in July, I decided to get a permanent place. And along the line, I was being introduced to Digistore by one of their reps who gave me a call because he saw our social media presence and he introduced me to Digistore. Trust me, I listened to the whole concept and I was in love with it. So I decided to sign up to Digistore. I've been with Digistore for, let me say, approximately 7 months now. And I tend to like almost all their features. Digistore website makes you more organized as a business owner. A client just have to go to the website and maximize her time comfortably in her bedroom, wherever she finds herself in her office or wherever, and just order. One other feature that I also like, it's their delivery system. For Easy Cook, in the initial stages of our business, one of the challenging moments that we encountered was delivery. And when people want to cook, they need it that fast. But with Digistore, the moment the customer orders on their website, they are able to get the notification. And within a twinkle of an eye, they'll give you a call. When is the order going to be ready? Maybe 30 minutes. 30 minutes, they are there. So it's helped, and it's been helping because in this couple of months that we've been using the delivery system, trust me, I have seen much more of progress compared to how it was in the past. Hi, I'm Shelly. I represent Easy Cook Market. So Easy Cook Market could be found on www.easycookmarket.com. It's an e-commerce website powered by Digistore Africa. Easy Cook is a brand that has come to stay. It has come to ease the pressure of many Ghanaian working women. We encourage all of you to log on our YouTube channel, Easy Cook Market, and subscribe. We can also be found on Instagram, Easy Cook Market GH. Do not forget to follow. And also, do not forget to order from our Digistore website.